AI is replacing jobs faster than workers can retrain, hitting black workers hardest. If you or someone you know is at risk, you need to hear this now. According to a 2024 National Bureau of Economic Research report, workers displaced by automation lose between 20 and 30% of their earnings, and these losses last more than 10 years. This long-term financial impact shows that job disruption from AI is not a short-term blip, but a serious economic challenge for displaced workers. Pelvo White, Jr., highlights that black workers are disproportionately affected by AI-driven job losses. The rapid pace of automation is outstripping the ability of many workers, especially black communities, to retrain and transition to new roles. This disparity puts black workers at the highest risk of long-term unemployment and income loss. In his recent State of the State address, Governor Moore emphasized that AI is not just a tech breakthrough, but a workforce challenge that will decide who thrives economically in the next generation. He called for proactive public investment to prepare workers for AI-driven changes instead of reacting after jobs vanish, highlighting the urgent need for strategic retraining programs. The speed at which AI replaces jobs is faster than workers' ability to acquire new skills. This gap means displaced workers often face long periods of unemployment or underemployment. Without accelerated and accessible retraining initiatives, especially targeted to vulnerable groups, the economic divide will deepen. Experts and leaders agree that states must act now with intentional investments to prepare workers for AI's impact. This includes funding education, vocational training, and support systems to help displaced workers transition. Without this, millions risk being left behind in a rapidly evolving economy. AI is reshaping the job market with real consequences, especially for black workers. If you want to secure your future, stay informed, advocate for retraining programs, and be proactive about skill development. Subscribe for updates that matter to your career and community.